We're looking at the number 24 and we want to know how many tens and how many ones are in the number 24. So let's go ahead and write out the number 24. Let's find our ones place. Remember, it's all the way to the right. All right, perfect. So here is our ones place. So we have 4 ones. Now let's look for our tens place, which is directly to the left of our ones place. We have 2 tens. So the number 24 has 2 tens and 4 ones. Let's look at some pictures. So each row here, we have 10 computers, and here we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So we can say we have two groups of 10. Here's one group of 10. Here's another group of 10. So we have 2 tens, and we have 4 ones, so a total of 24.